What up? All right, we're with Bradley over here. He's going back at this moment. He put a new AC compressor on this 2010 Honda Accord.
Yep, 010.
Okay, it's leaking. It was leaking from the front shaft behind here. So it's got a brand new alternator going in it right now. He'll put a belt on there also. David's out today. Nick's got a Mini Cooper. He's doing he's got a transmission that hit something that's bent the pan. And he's got I think a filter, a few other things, some just easy stuff on it. Sway bar links, something like that. And he's got a Land Rover, what a shocker. He's doing spark plugs at the moment, I can see. He did a transmission, he did all the services on it. It's got 60,000 miles on it. He's doing the plugs right now. He just got done doing a few other Land Rovers where it's been a common problem come through here where this coupler inside this supercharger snout has been going bad on here. So he's replaced a couple of those snouts on the superchargers. Pretty expensive repair, I'm not gonna lie. It's just the part itself is outrageous. Bentley's getting close. It's been here, it's our mascot now. And now he's just waiting on some trim. He's pretty much got it back together with just a few things. Kevin is working on basically wheel hubs, ball joints, upper control arms. He's knocking out, so he's in. Wish I could get better parts, but I was very limited on parts I could get in this thing. There was just nothing available. So it's an older 03, I think. Couldn't get anything of quality. I went with the best I could. Made in USA, Moog, but it was that or Chinese parts, so I went with the USA one. You can't get factory stuff for it. It's too old. I tried. Can't do it. Peyton, the greenhorn over here, he is putting the water outlet. Where's it at? It's pretty common on these Subarus right here. They just disintegrate, these things do. It's underneath the AC compressor. Very, very common. You'll get a coolant leak. There's your number for it if you need help. So, but it's extremely common on these Subarus. He's going back with it now. He's doing good. He's doing real good. But yeah, this one, it was getting engine oil into the cooling system, which makes sense. It's from this gasket. Because you have a breather on one side of it and you have coolant going through. I think that it was leaking, so the oil was mixing with the coolant and going in, just kind of washing into it. Not from engine oil, just from the grease and stuff that's on the actual block. So Peyton's doing good, real good. Pretty quiet in here this morning. We'll bring you in, we get some more excitement. See ya.